For today's Where in the State, we're in southeast Oklahoma City, right here, if you can't figure it out.
There's a lot of bones in there.
Let's go find out the hard truth.
Like bones are hard? Is that what you're going
If you
for?
drink milk. Anyway, we have the skeleton key to show you around.
No bones about it.
Let's go find out more.
Skeleton's Museum of Osteology is America's only skeleton museum. And whether you've been here before or not, it's all brand new.
We have redone every exhibit in the last 3 to 4 years. There's 26 different exhibits behind glass and then dozens more skeletons that guests can actually touch and interact with, including giraffe, Cape buffalo, rhino, and hippo. And these are all real skeletons.
That's Ashley M.B. Mearshart. She's the Director of Museum Operations and Education.
Okay, skeletons in a museum, that's already kind of weird, right? But besides the exhibits, it's more than just that.
We do so many different types of private events and special classes here at the museum. So everything from like your homeschool days, owl pellet dissections, and like family educational classes, all the way to Skeleton, which is our yoga event that we do about once a month, and we do the forensics date nights. That's probably the most popular adult evening event that we offer, and we do a fair number of weddings these days. Actually, this month we have a wedding every weekend here.
Okay, who's down for a J&R forensic night out?
Not you, Jeff. You're a scaredy cat. The skeletons are all real.
Every single skeleton in the museum is real. We work with about 30 zoos right now on a regular basis to accept their animals when they pass away. And it's our job to actually clean the skeleton. And some of that involves live flesh-eating beetles, which are special helpers that we use to naturally clean the bones. So we have this exhibit here just so guests can see a little bit into that natural process that we use for all the skeletons they're gonna see on display.
Okay, so as proof you survived your trip like we did, be sure to hit up the Suvi shop. Just look at all the spooky season gift ideas.
And be sure to ask about Sir Indiana Bones, the social media superstar with over 70,000 followers. And yeah, he's a black cat.
Oh, okay, he is so cute. In a creepy skeletons kind of way.
Well, it is fitting that he's black. If you're looking for a unique place to have your next private event, birthday party, or even wedding, visit skeletonmuseum.com and book it today.
Any parting words, Ashley?
I think this is the perfect time to come see Skeleton's Museum of Osteology because we are the perfect activity. It's educational, inspirational, and it's great for guests of all ages. You can be introduced to the world of osteology and just be amazed by the things that we have going on here.
Like we've shown you, there's a lot of things to see here at the Museum of Osteology, and make sure that you bring a friend like I did. This is Stan.
Oh, man. Yeah, Skeletons Museum of Osteology. What a stretch for you to find a friend here. But you've got to come check it out, especially during the spooky season. And you got to have skeletons for that, as well as the forensic night.
Nice, I like it.
Oh, don't worry, I got you one. Here you go.
I don't think anybody was doubting that. Oh, skeletons.
Yes.
Skeletons. They're real.
Get your mind out of the gutter. Do us a favor, watch this, share it, and tell everybody you heard about Skeletons Museum of Osteology.
On Where in the State.
How you doing, Stan?
Come on, Stan, let's go.